Okay, did you know that there's a way that you can create a GIF out of any video for free, and you can use it wherever you want and share it and do all those kinds of good things? Let's take a look at it. So first you want to select the quick panel, and you want to click on the gear icon, and you want to make sure that you've got this one, Smart Select, enabled like that. That's what you need. Go back to the front, and then all you need to do is find a video. So I'm going to go into TikTok like that, and this time I'm going to swipe in, and I've got to swipe it again and again, and there it is, a GIF animation. So I click on that, and it gives me a little window which I can drag around. I can make it bigger or smaller, whatever I want it to be, and then I can select the quality, so I can have high quality or standard quality. I'm going to stick with high quality, and now I'm just going to click record, and you can see you can record up to 15 seconds of any video that you want. So it's just telling me how much I'm doing there. I'm going up to the full 15 seconds just to show you how it works. And this is what you can do for any particular video that you want. So that's it, it's done. So now it will show you a little preview of the video that you've just created, and you can copy that video, or you can go into here and you can edit it. You can make it smaller or bigger and all these kind of things. You can do all that, and then you can download it once you're happy with it, and it will save it to your phone so that you can use it wherever you want.